Here, kitty, 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 kitty. I got some nice mice for you. So here I am done with my Fnatic hat, my Fnatic jersey, and 2 Fnatic mice. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Flick 2 and the Clutch 2. Now I've been using these mice for about 2 weeks now, and I can honestly say that they are some high-end mice that offer a lot of durability as to they are meant for esports gamers. So why should you choose a Fnatic mouse? Well, if esports gamers use it, why shouldn't you? So these guys actually feature a awesome PixArt sensor, which is the 3360 in both these. So it's going to give you a lot more precision, making sure you get every single shot that you click on. It does feature the Omron D2FC-F-7N switches on both mice. Both mice have a polling rate of 1000 hertz. The resolution is going to be 12,000 CPI, so way more than anyone's ever going to need. Personally, I float between 1200 and 1600 myself, depending on the resolution of the screen that I'm gaming on. As far as weighting goes, the Flick 2 is a little lighter at 93 grams, while the Clutch 2 is at 97 grams. The onboard processor is the NXP with 8 megabytes of onboard cache, meaning that you can install the Fnatic OP software, which is pretty sweet actually. It recognized both mice as I plug them both in for testing. You can load the profile, and then you can uninstall the software as long as you save that profile to the mouse and then move it to another computer, and the profile is saved. So that's pretty sweet. You don't really need to have that software after unless you prefer things like lighting control and things like that. As far as other features, the acceleration on both models is set at 50G, being that it's the same PixArt 3360 sensor. So liftoff distance is customizable actually. You can do 2 or 3 millimeters. So that's pretty sweet. I prefer to keep it at the lowest possible. And then the response speed of both of them again is 1 millisecond. So lag is definitely the enemy here. If you're an esports gamer, lag is definitely the enemy. You do not want to get caught with lag. As far as construction's concerned, it's made out of plastic. It's very well made plastic. I shook these guys. I played Fortnite. I played some Doom with it. It was great mice to work with. My hand configures a little bit better with the Flick 2 instead of the Clutch 2. The Clutch 2 is a little bit more Death Addery like, a little bit bigger, a little chunkier, but the Flick 2 for me, for my hand style, was a little bit more comfortable. Cord length was about 1.8 meters on both models, while the construction of the cord was rubber. So as far as esports gamers having a braided cable, that's not a thing actually with esports gamers, and pretty much more in the industry now is that you're not seeing braided cables anymore. You're starting to see more wireless and more back to the normal rubber cables because they don't drag on your desktop. But all in all, these are great mice to work with. I'm going to leave links in the description below to Amazon and Newegg for these guys. Go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you click subscribe on your way out. Much is appreciated. Lots more content is coming to you guys. Thanks again, guys. I'm Blue Devil. See you later.